welcome, another video. This one, it's a part 2. It's Blackpool part 2. So as you can see by that building there, that's Lewis's in Liverpool. I'm just leaving Liverpool now. It's 8 o'clock and I'm gonna go to Blackpool. I'm gonna work in Blackpool till around 2:30. Yeah, 2:30. So we're going to see what money I can make from now to then on Uber in mainly Blackpool, but we're going to add these hours, these travelling hours, because if you want to travel somewhere to work, you best be taking them travel hours into consideration when you're working out your money. You've got to do that, or it'd just be a waste of time, wouldn't it? It'd be a waste of time. I didn't want to give... Bloody hell, it's going to take me an hour and a half to get there. Must be busy. So, an hour and a half there, an hour back. That's 2.5 hours out my life that I want paying for. I want to make that green for them 2.5 hours travelling time. So, without further ado, let's carry on. Next one should be in Blackpool. Oh, need to put my foot down a bit. So I'm on the 58 even. I'm on the 58, just ready to come off onto the M6. And there's a Wolverhampton car right in front of me. And I don't know why he's got... Anyway, I do know why he's got Uber magnets on, because he does Uber. But I bet you 50 pence. I don't know why. I bet you 50 pence he's on his way to Blackpool. So I've got to speed up now because I've got to follow him. I was just taking me time, doing me here he is, he's right, DX17EYV. I'm in front of him because I'm a knob and I'm going to cut through the traffic here because I don't want to be waiting in this big queue. But I don't know why. I think he's on his way to Blackpool. I could be wrong. I'm never 100% right all the time, but let's see. Oh, I'm here. I'm in Blackpool. The time is 9:20. So an hour and 20 minutes. I can see that Eiffel Tower if it was bought off Wish. So I can't see my other Uber driver, little mate, from Wolverhampton. But we're going to see how today goes. Let's see what I can get before I've got to go back to Liverpool. Like I said, got to go back to Liverpool around 2:45. So without further ado, let's go. Let's see what I can get. Oh, just made a big mistake. So I've just had to drop off at the local train station. And Sam dropped off, but I got another job from the train station before he even dropped off. So I'm there waiting a couple of seconds, and then a Hackney driver comes over. Are you Uber driver? And I'm like, yeah. Do you know what? My mistake. I should have said, shut the fuck up. It's got nothing to do with you. Please don't talk to me. Should have been a bit politer than that, like. Anyway, I didn't, and he's like, you should be working in Blackpool. You're the way from Liverpool. And, oh, do you know what, mate? Leave it. Do us a favour. Get back in your Hackney and leave me alone. Don't talk to me. I shouldn't have even acknowledged him in the first place. Big mistake. So the Hackney drivers don't like Ubers here. Disappointed. Nearly lunchtime, nearly 11:30. Can you see that? I was going to have a £1 burger. I was going to do like a food review, like Kev Cavey. It's going to be like, how mad that? I've got a burger for £1. How mad that? But it's not open, as you can see. So disappointed, but hey, up, onwards and upwards. Let's go. Here we go. We're done. We're home with Bounds. The time has just gone 14:30. It's 14:27. Right, done. Getting ready. Going home. As you can see, it's raining here in not so sunny Blackpool. How have we done? That's why we're all here. How much money have I made in 5 hours? If you want to be technical, it's more. It's 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, we might as well call it, because by the time I get home. So, but we'll stick it to the 5. No, we'll stick it to the 7. No, we'll stick it to the 8 hours. Right, we'll stick it to the 8 hours. So altogether, I have made... I'll tell you what, gutted I didn't get me £1 burger. I'm so looking forward to that £1 burger, and it never come off. Gutted. But anyway, total cash I made that would be going into my bank off Uber is just below 75 quid. So we didn't even make £10 an hour. If we do it on the 8 hours. If we don't do it on the 8 hours, if we do the working time, really not even working time, the time of being in Blackpool, it comes to £15 an hour. Was it worth it? No, not at all. But I'll be honest, it's a nice change of scenery. Had a little spat with a Hackney driver. That enlightened me. Really brightened my day. But all in all, it's not really worth coming to Blackpool. But you've got to remember, today is a Tuesday. There's nothing on. There's not that many people in Blackpool. Now, if you come on a weekend or a bank holiday or even the summer holidays, that is a totally different thing. Now, I will have to do another video on Blackpool in the holidays to show you what it's like, because I know you do a hell of a lot better when it's busy. It's just not busy. But anyway, yeah, that's a good day, and I'd do it another time. If you just want me to work somewhere else, let me know. Anywhere interesting. I was thinking about doing Stoke-on-Trent, getting myself an oat cake. Bet I can't get an oat cake for £1. Right, love yous, leave yous, give us a thumbs up, give us the like, give us that subscribe, give us all that shenanigans. Right, see you soon.